Hello friends! Today I will show you how to make a magic ring, also known as the adjustable loop. We use it for working in the round. It produces a nice tight center for your crochet projects. You can use any type of yarn and hook for this. Unravel a fair bit of yarn from your skein. You won't need a hook at this moment. Position the yarn as if you wanted to make a regular knot, with the working yarn on your left side and the tail end on the right. Take the yarn end and lead it again through the loop. Now you've got what looks like a loose knot with two wraps. Find the wrap closer to the working yarn and lift it a bit. This is the place for your crochet hook. Insert it from the front to the back. Keep an eye on the rest of the loop. We don't want it to unravel. Keep the rest of the knot with your other hand and grab the yarn with the crochet hook. Lead it through to pull up a loop. Your magic loop is now secured. Now it's time to work our first round of stitches. I'm going to make single crochets into the loop. Insert your hook in the loop and start making stitches. Keep the loop with your fingers while doing it. If it unravels, we will have to start over. Depending on what your crochet pattern says, this may be single, double, or various crochet stitches. I'm going to work 8 single crochet stitches into the loop. Great, my single crochets are ready. It's time to tighten the loop. To do that, we have to pull the yarn tail, but do it slowly and carefully. Now that our loop is a little bit tightened, we can close the round with a slip stitch. Find the first stitch. It looks like a little V from above. Insert your hook under both loops. Grab the yarn and pull it through all loops on your hook. Now you can tighten the magic loop even more. Working another round of stitches isn't much different than when working in rows. Start with a turning chain, which in my case is just one chain stitch. Then proceed as usual, and when you finish the round, close it again with a slip stitch. And that's all. Now you know how to make a magic ring. Use it for all kinds of projects: amigurumi toys, crochet hats, or mandalas. If you liked learning with us, leave a thumbs up for this video and subscribe to this channel. For more inspiration, visit the catalog of thousands of free crochet patterns on yourcrochet.com. Bye!